In a world where most investors chase trends, one man built an empire by doing the opposite. Ray Dalio, the billionaire founder of Bridgewater Associates, didn't just predict financial crises, he prepared for them. From losing everything in his early 30s to managing over $150 billion in assets, Dalio's story isn't luck. It's a masterclass in how discipline, data, and deep understanding of human nature can turn failure into fortune. So, what exactly are the secrets behind Ray Dalio's investing success? Let's break down the core ideas that made him one of the most successful investors in history. 1. The man behind the machine. Ray Dalio founded Bridgewater Associates in 1975 from a small apartment in New York City. At first, it was just a one-man research company providing insights about commodities and global markets. But what made Dalio stand out was his obsession with understanding how the economy works, not just reacting to it. He built models, tracked patterns, and questioned assumptions everyone else took for granted. Today, Bridgewater is the world's largest hedge fund, known for its unique culture, data-driven decision-making, and Dalio's radical transparency. 2. The pain that built principles. In 1982, Dalio made a bold prediction. He believed the U.S. economy was heading for a depression. He was confident, so confident he went all in. But he was wrong. The market boomed instead. Dalio lost almost everything. He had to borrow money from his dad to pay his bills. That moment broke his ego, but it also built his system. Dalio realized that being wrong was part of learning. He started documenting every mistake, every wrong call, and every pattern behind them. This habit evolved into what he later called principles, the foundation of his life and investing philosophy. 3. The power of radical transparency. Inside Bridgewater, there are no secrets. Every meeting is recorded. Every employee can question anyone, even Ray himself. It's called radical transparency, and it's designed to destroy ego. Dalio believes truth emerges only when people can openly challenge each other's thinking. He once said, "If you don't look back at yourself and think you were dumb, you haven't learned much." This culture of open criticism and constant reflection turned Bridgewater into one of the most intellectually honest firms in finance. 4. Principles that rule the game. Dalio's book Principles became a global bestseller, not just for investors, but for anyone who makes decisions. But what are those principles exactly? First, be radically open-minded. Don't let your opinions blind you. Dalio constantly tests his own beliefs by surrounding himself with people who think differently. Second, understand how the economic machine works. Dalio sees the economy as a simple cause and effect machine. Credit, spending, productivity, they move in cycles. When you understand those cycles, you can see where the economy is heading long before others do. Third, balance risk through diversification. Dalio created the all-weather portfolio, a strategy built to survive any economic condition. The idea is simple: never bet too much on one outcome. 5. The all-weather portfolio. The all-weather portfolio became one of Dalio's greatest contributions to modern investing. Instead of trying to predict the future, Dalio built a portfolio that performs well no matter what the future brings. Here's the basic logic. Stocks do well in times of growth. Bonds do well in recessions. Commodities and gold protect against inflation. By combining these assets in the right proportions, Dalio designed a system that could stay stable even during economic storms. It's less about guessing and more about preparation. 6. The mindset of a macro thinker. Unlike many investors focused on individual stocks, Dalio plays a different game: macro investing. He studies countries, interest rates, political shifts, and debt cycles. To him, investing is not about emotion, it's about probabilities. He says, "He who lives by the crystal ball will eat shattered glass," meaning no one can perfectly predict markets, but you can build systems that protect you from being wrong. This mindset helped Dalio forecast major events, like the 2008 financial crisis, years in advance. While others panicked, Bridgewater was ready. 7. Learning from history. Dalio believes every market movement has happened before, just in a different form. He studies centuries of economic history, from the Great Depression to the rise and fall of empires. This approach led him to write Principles for Dealing with the Changing World Order, where he explored how nations rise, peak, and decline. 8. Emotional control and humility. Despite his success, Dalio often calls himself a professional mistake maker. He knows that the greatest danger in investing isn't market volatility, it's ego. Ego blinds judgment, fuels overconfidence, and makes investors chase short-term wins. Dalio trains himself and his team to think like machines, calm, data-driven, and detached. He once said, "The biggest mistake investors make is to believe what happened in the recent past will continue." 9. Beyond money. Dalio's philosophy extends far beyond investing. He treats life itself like a system of principles. Learn, reflect, improve, repeat. To him, success isn't about being always right. It's about evolving faster than others. In Dalio's world, the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. 10. The legacy of Ray Dalio. Today, Ray Dalio stands among the most influential financial minds of our time. His lessons echo far beyond Wall Street into leadership, psychology, and human behavior. He proved that great investing isn't about prediction. It's about preparation, discipline, and understanding how the world really works. The secret behind his success isn't just in algorithms or data models. It's in the mindset. Be humble enough to learn, curious enough to explore, and disciplined enough to act. Ray Dalio's story reminds us, success in investing and in life doesn't come from knowing everything. It comes from knowing how to learn from everything.